On this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram. You are all caught up easily and fast. First thing you want to do, guys, is open the settings on your phone, open the apps manager like this, and now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Instagram and click on it. When you click on it, it will take you to this page, or what you want to do here is click on force stop. After that, go to the permissions, make sure to enable all the permissions, and then go back, click on the power usage details. Now here make sure that the power consumption alert is enabled. Now last thing you want to do is click on the internal storage or the storage. Click on clear data, clear cache, and now restart your phone, reopen Instagram. If the problem still didn't solve it yet, then you have to update your Instagram in the Play Store or the App Store. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.